My name is Gail, and I'm from Virginia in the US. I work independently there as an organizational consultant. I have had a pretty long journey with my mouth. I've had some dental work done, and I also had orthodontia done as a child, but then I did it again a few years ago. I thought that I was going to have a good result. I like to smile. I smile all the time. So my teeth were straight, but they were also degraded from, I grind my teeth at night, so they were kind of worn down and yellow beyond repair. And I just didn't like my teeth. So I was trying to figure out what to do. I discovered Sani Dental, and at first I discovered Sani in the West, but then I saw there was an office in Playa del Carmen. And I've been to Playa del Carmen several times. I love it here. So this was the office I chose because I love Playa. So, well, initially I thought I wanted veneers, but my teeth were not, I wasn't a candidate for veneers. And the doctor suggested crowns, which I wasn't too surprised. And I have other crowns in my molars, so I know the process. And I realized too it would be more permanent. So we did the consultation, he did the computer analysis, and we figured everything out for what I wanted my teeth to look like for the finished product. And it was amazing. So we did that the first day. The second day he did the preparation and temporary crowns. And then only 2 days later, my permanent crowns were ready from the lab, and I went back and finished everything with the permanent crowns. And then I guess I went back one more time. Yes, the next day he did a final check to make sure that the occlusion was just right and everything was good. And I am amazed. It was amazing from walking in the door. Everybody's so nice and welcoming. The clinic is gorgeous, and everybody does everything to make you comfortable, and it was amazing. And I didn't have any discomfort. It's a lot. I got a lot of crowns, top and bottom, all my front teeth. The doctor did an amazing job with no pain, no discomfort. The whole process was amazing. I love my new smile. It feels completely natural. I was texting with my brother, and he asked me, how does it feel? You know, does it hurt? Is it different? And I said, no, I feel like I have strong teeth again, and it feels very natural, and I'm so happy. I will come back to have my teeth cleaned. I am finished with US dentists now. I have dental insurance, but I'm going to stop my dental insurance because it pays a little bit, but not a lot. And 1 year paying for insurance is probably 2 trips to Playa del Carmen for Sani. Yeah, I mean, that'll pay for my flights and relax. I'm in Playa, yeah. But I'm also, I have 2 children, and they are both in college, and it's time for their teeth cleaning, and so I'm going to bring them to Sani.